I can do engineering. And I have been doing it for some time now. Also, industrial and enterprise renewal processes, product management systems, the future of electronic tax. I'm just an engineer who can do such things. Most of all, I like to spend my time with my friends, and I have many friends, believe me. Some here in Cologne, even more in Hamburg, but many in Munich, who work in some fancy office, but I like them too. You can't choose your family and friends. Then we mostly program together in the office. We prefer to use A12. All low code, you know. Sometimes we also let the business analyst play along, or our customers, or the consultants, or the quality department. Actually, we take care of everything. Of course, I can't tell you which customers I work for. It's a secret. I'm German, so it's obvious that I work for the automotive industry, or for the government. Or have you ever been shopping at discount stores? We did it, all of us.